Alright, sun's out, we're all locked down for coronavirus. I was getting my weekly shop today and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a nice little surf and turf recipe on the barbecue. All these things were in the supermarket, I've not got anything from anywhere special. So we are having sirloin steak. In that cup there I've got some mushrooms, some garlic, just 1 clove crushed, and half a small onion. We've got some nice king prawns there, raw, 200 ml of double cream, 50 grams of butter, some asparagus tips, and then Jack Daniels. Anyone who knows me knows that I cook with Jack Daniels. Frying pan, grill, nothing special. Let's start. Cheers. So first things first, what we need to do is seal the steaks. A couple of thin cut sirloin steaks. I'm just going to put a bit of oil in the pan, a bit of tissue, because I don't want any splash, but I don't want the steaks to stick either. As with any meat, the secret to cooking good steak is making sure the steak is at room temperature. And these are thin, so we're going to do this really quick. Literally sealing them to seal the flavour. The pan probably wasn't quite hot enough. It's a bit difficult on barbecue. That pan was hotter, that would literally be a quick flashing out. Done, so now I'm just going to set those to one side. And then I'm going to add the butter, 50 grams butter to the pan. Get that melting down. You're not having any dog. Okay, once that's melted down, I'm going to get some asparagus spears in there. And the reason why I'm not doing the steak straight away, because the steaks will cook quickly. A little bit of pepper. Salt. There's a nice coating. Now, my father-in-law actually called me out for using a gas barbecue because I said I never would, but it is actually really convenient. So I've got one side of the barbecue's nice and hot, the other side's medium, and then the far side's cold. So I've got my steaks over on the far side. Now these asparagus are nicely coated with butter. I'm going to get them on the barbie. Now what I'm going to do is get my mushrooms, onions, and 1 clove of garlic crushed. Get them in the pan. Start sweating those down. Already about 8 buttered mushrooms. Keep an eye on that asparagus. Keep them moving around. There's a couple of small bits from the sirloin steak left over. I'm just going to pop those in there. Just helps add flavour.
Smells good.
Smells good. This is a really simple dish. Honestly, there's no fancy herbs and spices. It's just salt, pepper, butter, cream, all the good stuff.
It's a shame it's no scratch and sniff.
nice and colourful. You can start to feel it get a little bit more tender as it's on there. Now what I don't want to do is overcook the prawns. So now that that sauce is on the go, everything's sweating down, I'm going to get these steaks on the heat. Alright, everything's cooking nicely. Just see those mushrooms sweating down with the onion and the garlic. Almost ready for the jack. The steak sizzling away. Obviously this is Jack Daniels. Where are you? Jack Daniels steak, so little splash of the good stuff. Just get that mellow JD flavour on them steaks. They've probably been on there for about 3 minutes and they look about ready to me, so I'm going to put those up to the side to rest. While they're resting, I'm going to get my prawns in. And they're nothing fancy, they're just frozen prawns. Just make sure they're raw, the larger the better. You've got to rest your steaks. If you don't rest your steaks and you cut into it, it will still be tough. Okay, now I'm going to get some jack in the sauce. Make sure the jack's alright. Probably the highlight of the
Hi, pup.
Wait for that alcohol to bubble. Pepper in there. Some salt. And to keep an eye on your broccoli, your asparagus. That is looking delicious. Steaks up there looking good. Okay, that's reduced down now. Let me get my cream. As I say, just 200 grams double cream. Get it in there. All we're going to do is just let that heat up and then reduce down, and then we'll check the flavour. And it should be good to go. Sorry, Pap. Splash cream on the dog. So that sauce now is reducing nicely. I'm just gonna give it a little taste. Check the seasoning. Never trust a skinny chef. And that needs a little bit more salt. Now that is pretty much good to go. So I'm just gonna flash my steaks on that heat. So you can just see those steaks. Well, I've let them rest and only had a few minutes, but you can just see that blood coming out, so they're nice, medium rare. So, steak, plate, asparagus spears with butter. And then nice Jack Daniels cream, King Prawns. Nice mushrooms in there. Done. Jack Daniels, sirloin steak, King Prawns, asparagus spears. So how was your surf and turf Jack Daniels raspberry ripple style, wifey?
That's all I have to say.